when the people of the world look at this ummah, they should be seeing the ummah of Muhammad. They should be seeing the legacy of Abu Bakr. They should be seeing the legacy of Uthman. They should be seeing the legacy of Aisha radiallahu anha. They should be seeing the legacy of Fatima radiallahu anha. They should be seeing the legacy of these people in us. We have a chance now. Allah has given us the spotlight. I remember there was a time, Sheikh Haytham probably remembers, I know Imam Siraj remembers, when there was a time we begged for media coverage about Islam. We begged for them to look at us. We begged for them to pay us attention. Yes or no, Imam? We begged for it. Now we have their undivided attention. We have the world's undivided attention. They want to know what you are doing. They want to know what you are saying. They want to know what you're eating. They want to know where you're sleeping. They want to know everything about you, and we act as if that's a bad thing. Wallahi, it's a ni'mah from Allah that they want this. Let them look.